Good morning everyone. Today I am presenting my project titled National Account Dashboard. This is a web-based interactive tool designed to visualize and analyze important economic indicators such as GDP, GNI, and inflation across different countries. The main aim of this project is to make complex economic data simple, visual, and easy to understand. Now let's come to problem statement. The main problem this project addresses is the complexity of economic data. Data like GDP, GNI and inflation is very large and difficult to understand in raw form. Most of the time it is available in tables or reports which are not visually intuitive. Also comparing multiple countries require manual effort and take a lot of time. There is a lack of simple and interactive tool where user can easily explore this data visually. So this project focuses on solving this issue using visualization. Now let us come to project objective. The main objective of this project are as follows. First, to design an interactive dashboard with a user-friendly interface. Second, to simplify complex data set into easy to understand graphs and charts. Third, to allow user to compare economic performance between different countries. Fourth, to integrate real-time data using APIs like the World Bank API. And finally, to ensure a smooth and responsive user experience across devices. Now let us come to national accounts. Before understanding the dashboard, it is important to understand national accounts. National accounts are a system used to measure a country's economic performance. GDP or gross domestic product represents the total value of goods and services produced within a country. GNI or gross national income includes total income earned by residents including foreign income. Inflation shows how prices increase over time. These indicators are very important for government and economists to make decisions and understand economic growth. Now let us come to technology stack. Now coming to the technologies used in this project. On the front end, I used HTML, CSS and JavaScript to build the user interface. For visualization, I used Chart.js which help in creating interactive charts. On the backend, Node.js which Express is used to handle API requests. The data is fresh from the World Bank API which provides reliable and real-time economic data. For deployment, Netlify is used for front-end and Render is used for back-end, and GitHub is used for version control. Now let us come to key features. This dashboard provides several useful features. User can select different countries to analyze their economic performance. Multiple indicators like GDP, GNI, and inflation can be viewed together. The charts are dynamic and update automatically based on user input. The interface is responsive, meaning it works well on mobile, tablet, and desktop. Also, the data is fetched in real time, ensuring up to date information. Now, coming to dashboard interface. This slide shows the actual dashboard interface. The system presents data using interactive charts and graphs, making it easier to understand trends and patterns. User can quickly compare different countries and indicators. The visual representation helps convert raw information into meaningful insights. Overall, the dashboard improves efficiency and make economic analysis much easier. Now at last, the conclusion. In conclusion, this project successfully transforms complex economic data into simple and interactive visual insights. It provides an efficient way to analyze and compare country-level performance. This project also demonstrates practical use of API, front-end design, and data visualization technique. For future improvements, I plan to add user authentication, database integration, advanced analytics, and more datasets. This system can be expanded to full-scale economic analysis platform. Now I will demonstrate my national account dashboard using the live system. At the top, user can select country. For example, I am selecting the United States. Once selected, the dashboard loads all the key economic indicators for that country. Here, we can see important summary indicators such as GDP, growth, nominal GDP, inflation rate, unemployment, and per capita income. These values are updated dynamically and also show comparison with the previous year using indicators like increase or decrease. This gives a quick overview of country's economic condition. Below that, the system automatically generates a short insight summary, helping user quickly understand the economic situation without deep analysis. This section shows global GDP ranking using a bar chart where we can visually compare top economies. On the right side, there is a detailed table showing country ranking, GDP values, growth rates, and per capita income. These help in structured comparison across multiple countries. Here we have the GDP trajectory graph, which show how the company has grown over time for multiple countries. This helps in identifying long-term trends and comparing growth patterns. GDP overview. This section shows detailed analysis of GDP. On the left, we can see nominal GDP growth over years, and on the right, the GDP growth rate. This helps user understand both size and growth of the economy. Here we have additional indicators like inflation rate, unemployment, and GDP per capita. These charts provide deeper insight into economic stability and living standards. This section shows GDP composition, including consumption, investment, and sector-wise contribution like agriculture, industry, and services. This helps understand how the economy is structured. At the bottom, we have country comparison feature. Here I can select two countries, for example, India and United States, and compare their economic performance side by side. The system shows comparison charts for GDP growth, inflation, unemployment, and per capita income. It also provides a summary insight explaining the comparison. Additionally, each chart has an option to download it as an image. This allows users to export graphs for reports and presentations. This demonstrates how the dashboard provides a complete and interactive analysis of national economic data. This system not only visualizes data but also helps users gain insights and compare economies efficiently in one place. Thank you.